Animals being besties. Yes, please. Top 5 wholesome animal interactions that made you go aww. Number 5. This skunk and fox playing tag like in a Disney movie. Number 4. Baby deer meets its emotional support doggo. Number 3. This barn manager goat supervising the ponies. Number 2. These baby goats turns poor Mr. Turtle into their trampoline.
Extreme!
And number 1. The ultimate showdown, jungle royalty versus couch royalty. Nature didn't have to go this hard, but it did. Which animal duo was your favorite? Let us know in the comments and hit that follow for more chaotic